So on Instagram, they have a giveaway that you can sign up for, and I had done right here the giveaway right here, and then later on I got a notification stating that I had won. Now the director is on my Facebook right here. He's the one that helped do the masks for Slipknot. Some of them, not all of them. There's his information there. Sorry, my screen's so dirty, but anyways, and he sent me through the mail a video, and in a minute here I will go ahead and unbox it. Here's the package that I got in the mail. Sorry, cat's in the way. Here's the movie that I got from the director. And then, let's see what this says. There's a letter in here. So here's the letter. And it says, "Dear Strange Nature supporter, thank you so much for continued interest and patience during this long road of putting this film out to the world. Without you, it literally would have not been possible. Since the film's release late last year, it has premiered at Twin Cities Film Festival, nominated for Best New Director, generated many wonderful reviews, played theatrically in Los Angeles and Minnesota, was released at Walmart, Redbox, iTunes, Amazon Prime, won Best Creature Horror Feature from Indie Horror Online, made the top 10 indie horror films of 2018 and list from horrorfuel.com. We also turned to thousands of people in the real-life plight of water contamination and how it can dangerously relate to wildlife, and ultimately us. Tragically, we lost our star and dear friend Lisa Sheridan on February 25th, 2019. Strange Nature was her last role. Lisa was proud of the film and luckily was able to join us for the world premiere at Twin City Film Fest, and also the theatrical premiere at Los Angeles. Lisa lives in our hearts and in our minds. I sincerely hope you enjoy the film. If you do, please consider leaving a rating and review on sites like Amazon.com, InternetMovieDatabase.com, and Rotten Tomatoes. Those ratings and reviews are behind us with large marketing dollars. Only way people will find out about the film is word of mouth, so please spread the word. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to reach us at any time.